God bless you, children. In the previous class, we have started the poem Bird Talk, in which we have seen various birds, we listened their sound, and we also have seen that how they live and how they enjoy their life. They are also having their life. And I also explained you the summary of the poem Bird Talk. Today we will do the poem recitation with rhythm and action. Before that, we will do the reading. You will repeat the lines after me, and I will explain you the poem stanza wise. And at the end, we will do the poem recitation with complete rhythm and action. So let's start today's class.
So children, this is the page of our Marigold book, our poem Bird Talk. Today we will do the reading, recite the poem with rhythm and action, and finally we will understand the summary. So we have already discussed these things, then also we are discussing that this poem is written by the poet Eileen Fisher. She is an American poet and writer. There are two birds in this poem named Robin and Jay. This poem is basically the conversation between Robin and Jay, the two birds. We have already discussed this in my previous video. So please watch that video before starting this class. See, the first bird in the poem is Robin. This is the picture of the bird Robin. It is an American bird. And the second bird in the poem is Jay. It is also an American bird. Its actual name is Blue Jay. If Robin and Jay will talk to each other in a garden, they will look like this. So, let's start the poem Bird Talk, in which the bird Jay and Robin are talking to each other. So children, you will repeat the lines after me. First we will do the reading, then we will do the recitation part, and after that I will explain you the poem stanza wise. After completing one stanza, I will explain that stanza, and then we will go to the second stanza. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. So, repeat the lines after me. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. Now we will sing it. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Sitting in the garden, talking one day. So in this stanza, according to the speaker, that is the poet of this poem, one day when Robin and Jay were talking to each other, they were actually telling each other to think. Come to the second stanza of the poem. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. Now let's sing this stanza. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. So children, they were telling each other to think about people, that is, humans. Us, we are humans. How humans grow without feathers? Feathers means this. They are thinking that we grow without feathers. And how can we grow like this? Now come to the third stanza. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Now let's sing this stanza. They don't eat beetles. They don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. So children, they were also telling that humans do not eat beetles, humans do not grow wings, and humans do not like sitting on wires. See, these are beetles, the insects, wings, and see the picture of a bird sitting on wire. So humans cannot do these things. Come to the last stanza. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? Let's sing this stanza. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way? So children, finally they think that humans are funny, means we are funny, because we don't have feathers, we don't eat these worms, and we don't grow wings, and also we don't sit on wires like them.
See children, today again Oren is helping us. She helps us all the time. So thank you Oren for helping us.
Welcome.
She is playing, once again she is playing your part, and the way she is helping me, I am her mom, the way she is helping me, you will also help your parents and elders at home, and you will practice this poem with your parents and elders at home. So let's start the poem recitation with rhythm and action. Ready Oren? Think, said the robin,
Think, said the jay, sitting in the garden, talking one day. Think about people, the way they grow. They don't have feathers at all, you know. They don't eat beetles, they don't grow wings. They don't like sitting on wires and things. Think, said the robin. Think, said the jay. Aren't people funny to be that way?
So children, I hope you have understood the chapter and you will recite the poem. Thank you children.